In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the saturation of an image on Visme. Whether you want your images to appear more vibrant and lively, or you prefer a subtler, muted look, understanding how to tweak the saturation is a valuable skill. So let's dive into the process and walk through it together. First, you'll want to select the image you wish to edit. In your Visme design, simply click on the image. This action will highlight the image, indicating that it's ready for any modifications you want to apply. Now, it's time to open the Effects and Filters menu. With the image highlighted, navigate through the options until you find the Photos section. Here, you will see an option labeled Effects. Depending on the current layout of Visme's user interface, the exact terminology might be slightly different, but the general idea remains the same. Once you're in the right menu, look for the Customize button. Clicking this will open up a panel filled with sliders and settings, allowing you precise control over your image's appearance. This is where you get to have some fun and experiment with the visual aspects of your chosen photo. The next step is adjusting the saturation using the dedicated slider. In the Customize panel, you'll notice a group of sliders. Of interest here is the one marked Saturation. By moving this slider, you have the ability to alter how vivid or muted the colors of your image appear. Sliding it to the left will make your colors more muted, lending them a grayscale effect. This might be ideal for a softer, understated look. On the other hand, sliding it to the right will enhance the colors, making them appear more vibrant and intense. Perfect for when you want your images to pop and grab attention. After you've adjusted the saturation to your satisfaction, it's crucial to apply or save the changes. Double-checking your work ensures that you've achieved the desired effect before moving on. With the changes applied, you'll notice an immediate transformation in the appearance of your image. Of course, it's not uncommon to have second thoughts about your edits. If after applying the changes, you decide the original image suited your needs better, there is often an option to reset the filter. This will revert your image back to its original state, allowing you to either start fresh or make further fine-tuned adjustments. So, there you have it. With just a few clicks and tweaks, you can dramatically alter the saturation of an image using Visme, tailoring it to perfectly fit your project's aesthetic. Whether you want bold, bright visuals or gently toned down colors, the power to transform your images is right at your fingertips.